Hi guys, today we're going to unbox the latest offering from HyperX, their first wireless headset. At the last CES, HyperX announced that they are releasing a wireless headset to get into the market to compete with Logitech and some of the other big brands that are well known with the wireless headsets. And they've given me the Cloud Flight headset, which is their first step into the wireless world. And in this episode, we're going to just do a quick unboxing. In the subsequent videos, we'll do a proper review. So let's crack this puppy open and we'll see what's inside. So the boxing itself says that there's going to be a 30-hour charge. It's compatible with your PC, PS4, PS4 Pro, Xbox, mobile, and pretty much every device it would seem. So let's crack it open and check it out. Alrighty, so what have we got here? So in the box we have congratulations on joining the HyperX family. HyperX has you covered. Quick start guide, which we probably won't look at. And yeah, in the box we've got a standard blow mold case or packaging. We'll rip that out. Silica gel to keep out the moisture, and this must be the wireless dongle, one would presume, and then the headset itself. Now, like with all HyperX products, the microphone is removable, which I actually really like, because a lot of these headsets I use with my phone for listening to music or when I'm out in the garage working, so I do like to be able to remove the mic, and it actually feels pretty good quality. Pretty stretchy. And the typical HyperX minimalistic look, which I like. Okay, they are fairly noise isolating off first glance, or first test. Nice and stretchy for big buff heads like myself. And is there anything else in the box? We have a USB cable, I would imagine, to charge the unit. And a 3.5mm jack. So it'd be interesting to see how this works with a mobile, because it says it's compatible with your mobile phone, but I'm wondering if that means with the cable. I don't know if it's going to be wireless or if you just turn it on, Bluetooth sync it with your phone. We will soon see. Okay, so there's nothing else left in the box. Alrighty, so now we have the headset. Let's fire it up, see if there's any juice in it from the factory, and it lights up. So that's going to be it for this quick unboxing. I will do the full review coming up next. I apologise for the lack of uploads recently. Dad is up on holidays, as you do, fishing and playing with drones, and I'm holding the fort back here in the studio. Now, I apologise for the microphone. This one's on its way out and I've got another one ordered. And thanks very much to my patrons who were able to provide the funding to get all this lighting. All my previous lighting had failed, which was just the cheap Chinese CFL lights. They all failed, so I had to splash out and get some LED panels. So now that I am nearly fully set up again, once the mic comes, I'll be good to go, and we'll be getting some videos coming out. That's pretty much for this one. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.